Hello friends, first of all, welcome to all of you for being here in my channel Easy Math Tutorial. Now, in this session we are going to discuss on some difference operator. In previous lecture, we already discussed on forward difference operator, backward difference operator and central difference operator. Out of these three main difference operator, again there are two difference operator exist, namely as shifting operator and averaging operator. In this session or part 2 of finite differences, we are going to explain that two difference operators, that is shifting operator and averaging operator, its definition, its notations and formulas. After that, we move towards some example based on these two operators. Okay, so let's start. The shift operator is denoted by capital E and averaging operator is denoted by mu. The definition of shift operator is the shift operator E is defined as E of f of x is equal to f of x plus h. Hence, E square of f of x is equal to E of f of x plus h, which is equal to f of x plus 2h. In general, for any positive integer n, e raised to n of f of x is equal to f of x plus nh. From this, we can conclude that the shifting operator or shift operator E shift the original function from its original value to the value of the function increased by the power of E time h. It means that when we operate E on f of x, the power of E is 1. So, the shift operator E f of x shifted the original value of f of x to the f of x plus 1 time h. If we take the square of E, then that operator shifted the original value of f of x to f of x plus 2 time h. Similarly, e raised to n of f of x is equal to f of x plus n time h. In particular, we have e of y0 is equal to y1, e square of y0 is equal to y2. In general, e raised to n y0 is equal to yn. The inverse operator e raised to minus 1 or the inverse shift operator is denoted by e raised to minus 1 is defined as e raised to minus 1 f of x. Means here we have to take a decrement in the value of function f of x by the power of e. Here power of e is minus 1. So we take a decrement in the value of x by 1h. For any real number n, we have e raised to n f of x is equal to f of x plus nh. And when we write e raised to minus n f of x, then it gives the value of f of x minus nh. Take a note here, e raised to m into e raised to n f of x is equal to e raised to m plus n f of x. Now the second definition is of the averaging operator, which is denoted by small u, denoted by mu. The averaging operator is defined as mu of f of x is equal to, it is the average of two values f of x plus h by 2 and f of x minus h by 2. So mu of f of x is equal to f of x plus h by 2 plus f of x minus h by 2. There are several relations connecting the operators delta, nabla, small delta, capital E and mu, and the differentiation operator d. Out of this, in first part we already explained the first three operators, that is forward operator, backward operator and central operator. In this session we explained the definition of shifting operator capital E and averaging operator mu. In next session we will discuss on a differentiation operator which is denoted by capital D. Now let's move toward some examples related with the operators shifting operator and averaging operator. Example number 1, E into nabla which is equal to nabla into E which is equal to delta. Here we have to prove this relation. So the solution of this example is, or the proof of this example is, E into nabla which can be written as E into in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus 1, because the value of nabla is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus 1, which is equal to e minus 1, which is equal to delta. Also nabla into e is equal to, the value of nabla is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus 1, right in a bracket, into, take a shifting operator e as it is, which is equal to multiply with each term in a bracket by capital E which is outside the bracket. So it gives e into 1 is equal to e and into e raised to minus 1 is equal to 1, because e raised to minus 1 into e raised to plus 1 become e raised to 1 minus 1, e raised to 1 minus 1 become e raised to 0, and it gives anything raised to 0 means 1, that is e minus 1, and e minus 1 means delta. So we can easily prove this relation. Now take a second example, e raised to 1 half plus e raised to minus 1 half in a first bracket into, in a second bracket, 1 plus delta raised to 1 half which is equal to 2 plus delta. So from the given condition, from LHS we can write e raised to 1 half plus e raised to minus 1 half into e raised to 1 half instead of 1 plus delta. Now multiply to the each term in a bracket by e raised to minus 1. It gives e raised to 1 half into e raised to 1 half become e raised to 1 plus e raised to minus 1 half into e raised to plus 1 half means minus 1 half plus 1 half cancel, or e raised to 0 and e raised to 0 become 1. So in second step we can write e plus 1 which is equal to 1 plus delta plus 1, because we can write 1 plus delta for e. 1 plus delta plus 1 means 1 plus 1 become 2 plus remaining term delta as it is. Okay. So in this session we discuss on shifting operator and averaging operator, its definitions, some formulas and some example. With this point we are going to end this session. Thanks to all.